Hi there folks, this is Jack Rennie Evans here. I'm the Principal Teacher of Maths and Computing for BGE here at Larbert High School. And this evening I'm going to be taking you through our mathematics experience for our pupils in S1. In S1, our pupils work on different pathways through their maths, and this depends on where they were in terms of their working level in numeracy at the point of transition between P7 and S1. For pupils who are working in or towards second level or potentially at third level at the end of primary 7, they'll be working on what we call our Pathway 2 classes. We also have a couple of Pathway 1 classes for pupils who are potentially working towards second level or at first level at the end of primary 7. Now, for all of our pupils across S1, we do follow a similar course. However, each pathway does have a particular focus either towards second level or third level where appropriate. Across the S1 Maths curriculum, we have an integrated course which is based on our significant aspects of learning in mathematics. These are numeracy, algebra, shape and measure, data handling and problem solving. Problem solving underpins everything that we do across all of our curriculum. So we really just focus in on the other 4 areas as discrete topics as appropriate. Here's a wee overview of our S1 course. You can see that for the majority of the year we do focus on numeracy-based topics and introduce some shape, algebra and data work as the course progresses. This is in order to provide us with a very, very strong foundation for future study in maths. Pupils will always have the opportunity to be challenged if they are finding some of the work to be something that they are quite comfortable with. We'll always encourage challenge into that problem-solving aspect of our S1 curriculum. And indeed, pupils will receive support as required. If they are needing to ask for help, please encourage them to do so. It's really important that our young people build strong relationships with their class teachers and they feel that they are able to ask for help as required to make sure that they get the best outcomes possible. We have various extracurricular opportunities for our young people here, particularly within the maths faculty. We have our Maths Skill Builder, which runs on a Wednesday lunchtime in C018, which allows pupils to improve their numerical skills and also provides a fun environment for people to come and take part in some maths challenges. We also have our LHS Maths Circle, which is open to all, including our cluster primary schools, and right the way up to pupils studying advanced higher. We're looking forward to this, as at the time of recording, we are just away to launch it, and hopefully by the time you watch this, we've had a very successful first session. These sessions will allow our young people to come together with their parents and carers to share their mathematics, build more of an appreciation for maths and numeracy, and engage with various challenges. All of the resources are self-directed, which means that pupils can choose whatever activities are going to provide them with the most challenge at the pace that is right for them. These circles run on the last Monday of every month from 6 p.m. There is a letter sent out to all parents and carers where you can register your interest via the Google form. In terms of further support at home, as well as taking part in the LHS Math Circles, we would encourage parents and carers to use a growth mindset approach when discussing maths. You would never go away and say it's not important to be able to read or to write, and reading, writing, listening and numeracy are the 3 most important elements of your child's curriculum as they come through into the early part of secondary education. This is because they underpin everything that they will need to access across the remainder of their curriculum. You can share growth mindset approaches by using positive language, avoiding any misconceptions that maths is too hard or that maths is not something that you should be expected to be able to access. Maths unlocks the doors to so many positive destinations in the future, as well as a range of life skills that are so necessary. Speaking of life skills, these are things that you could be engaging with your child, particularly things that involve money or anything that involves counting or ordering things. This will allow your child to build more positive connections with where they use numeracy in their day-to-day lives and recognise the value of doing well in maths. We also have access to Maths Workout, which is an excellent online platform. Our young people can use this to practice their numeracy skills as well as skills from across the remainder of their maths curriculum, initially in game-based environments and building up into working repetitively with abstract concepts to develop their understanding further. All of our pupils can access this via their iPads, and can log in with the username Larbert and password reflex33. We hope that this presentation has been useful for you, and if you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to get in touch. Thank you for listening, and enjoy the rest of your evening.